And what struck me was that, there's a mismatch between our neck and the face. For most of us, the neck is actually in bigger trouble than the face. It looks older. It has deeper lines, deeper wrinkles. The neck is really our trouble spot for almost really the majority of us. So I decided that I just have to do something. I'm getting older. My friends are getting, everybody around me is looking for something to change this particular area. I set out to make a super performer, perhaps the most comprehensive neck cream in the marketplace. It truly a top performer, very potent, very important, very powerful neck cream. And this is it. Now, my MedMD 33 has a history of incorporating 33 clinically relevant, clinically important, clinically proven ingredients to concentrate, to really be able to work on this very important area. So if you have circular lines, even if they are deeply etched in, if you have vertical lines, even if they are etched in, if you have dryness to your skin, now you have gorgeous skin, but there will be a day when there will be dryness and frailty, and you're losing firmness to your neck, and you look
she
and
just got real on me.
there will be a day. There will be a day.
It's coming.
And then you will need my MedMD 33, which is a superior technology to be able to incorporate really every possible ingredient that is relevant, that is important for your skin, so there's no stone that is unturned.
So neck and décolleté.
Neck and décolleté,
So this is really, when we're talking about high performance, you want the best and you're saying, look, I want the absolute best for this area that has been so neglected. What do I use? You're going to use this MedMD and with the 33. So as we're applying this, how often do we apply it?
Nighttime, every night, and we have our gorgeous model. She's going to show us that you're applying it from low, in this manner, up and down. Yes, there you have it. And just remember, you are giving yourself perhaps the best that science has to offer.
This feels great.
33 clinically proven ingredients. And see, up and down there, she is always in upwards motion. They're perfect. That's exactly it. And she's incorporating her décolleté. Put some more on, sweetie. There's
and
probably
really,
not enough.
this is the other thing that you need to incorporate in with that 4-piece bestseller kit. So with the 4-piece bestseller kit that's going very quickly, you need the best for your neck. This is the piece that so many of us have neglected. We focused on the face, we focused on the other areas. This is where you need to now concentrate. Because if not, what happens? We start wearing higher cut, we start wearing turtlenecks, we start hiding everything. My father was very much was a doctor as well,
doctor,
very much would point out, was very much into skin awareness, and he'd point out and he'd go, look at her, not taking care of her skin. Look at her. You don't want skin like that, huh? And so finally, it got into my head that I finally went, okay, I'm gonna take good care. But the thing about it is that you need those superior ingredients, and that's where Dr. Denese and her absolute dedication to research and evolving the next step, that's where this MedMD 33 came into fruition. New this month, event priced, exclusive, and we just got so busy on the phone lines for those of you who are picking this up and picking up the last quantities of that 4-piece bestseller kit to put together. Please use automated ordering at QVC.com. So Dr. Denese, what can we start to expect as we're starting to use this?
I have to show you the befores and afters. I have
yes.
Extraordinary befores and afters. That is truly the proof as to how well this works. Look at that. Look at, she has deep etched in circular lines on the before.
That's 4 weeks?
4 weeks later, look how much more supple the skin, how much less the appearance of those lines are. On the next chart, which is even more interesting because you'll see a 4-week and an 8-week. Now look at this girl here. You see 2 dominant circular lines running upwards. Take a look at the upper one, and then take a look at the upper one on the before, and then on the 4-week, and on the 8-week, and on the 8-week, you actually cannot see that anymore.
Is amazing when you're before
really
4 weeks, 8 weeks.
8 weeks.
We've got 1,000 of you on the phone line, so if you're trying to get this, go to QVC.com or your telephone applications.
Look at that. Look at how deeply etched in those lines are on the before. I mean, that is serious, and it's in there. And you would say this will never, never, never move. Take a look how much more soft, how much more supple, girls. This is the science behind it.
Absolutely.
33 clinically proven ingredients in there, soluble collagen. I have 5 top-of-the-line peptides in there. I have essential fatty acids, hyaluronic acid. I have multiple ingredients all in there. This is skin science. This is not skin care, girls. This is
science.
True science.
And
skin
remember,
science.
It's not just neck, it's décolleté. And when we start to see those little cross hatchings and the lines and the different things, this is where you need to work on and focus as well.
Yes.
So you start here, you're working up using, the gentlest fingers you can in upward motions. So Dr. Denese, all the way up, so we take it all the way up, all the way back.
Up, all the way, very important, especially at the jawline, because might as well work it, girls. It firms the appearance of your skin. It really, really does. Remember those pictures. That is reality. That is the truth. That is taken under the most strict legal conditions. And this is what this performance is all about. Yes, work it upwards, including your jawline, because it has a remarkable firming effect on the appearance of
so beautifully rich. Exactly.
It really does.
Now, we do have auto delivery, which is every 90 days for 1 year. You can lock in this event price with the 2 easy payments, or you can choose the one-time shipment at 826-4649. You have 30 days. And remember, with auto delivery, you can cancel at any time. Enjoy this. Use this at night. And this is your opportunity when you're talking about the next level of Dr. Denese. Dr. Denese, for people who just tuned in, what is MedMD 33?
MedMD 33 is a franchise that we just started. We have a face cream, which is incredibly successful. We have a neck cream, which is, I hope it will be very successful because it is really exceptional when it comes to performance. It's all about the best of science, pulling together 33 of the very top, the very most potent, clinically proven ingredients. That's what MedMD 33 is all about. Best of science, very high percentage of ingredients, and a broad range of ingredients. So I can engender really a broad range of point of attack and make sure that we are able to de-age your skin, neck, face, whatever it is.
Well,
yes.
I will say the Friday traffic jam on the QVC phone lines officially has happened. We have so many of you trying to get in to call and to pick this up right now. Please use the automated ordering number, qvc.com, your telephone applications, or of course texting to order. If you haven't signed up for that, do that. That's really easy. Because I know a lot of you are trying to get this. And for those of you trying to get the 4-piece bestseller collection, using those together in conjunction is going to give you some of the most beautiful looking skin. And you've got 30 days to try it, to make sure you love it. And if you don't love it, you send it back. And auto delivery or one-time shipment. So please be patient with us as we are getting to you to this. So do not go away. Dr. Denese, always a pleasure.
Thank you,
I
Annie.
love
Thank
you.
you very much. Thank
We're
you
so excited.
much.
Stay with us because as we keep Live Spring Beauty going, we've got our final presentation of our today's special